Welcome to the SolidWorks for Beginners and Intermediate Users course, your all-in-one, comprehensive guide to mastering SolidWorks. Whether you're just starting your journey in 3D design or looking to enhance your skills, this course is your gateway to mastering SolidWorks. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the intuitive interface, unit settings, and sketching environment. You'll learn to create precise 2D sketches using lines, circles, arcs, splines, and more. We'll guide you step by step in creating sketches and applying constraints and dimensions to fully define your designs. Take your designs into 3D. Master fundamental modeling techniques such as extrude, revolved, and explore advanced features like sweeps, lofts, fillets, chamfers, and rib creation, among others, to give your models depth and detail. Enhance your designs by applying realistic textures, assigning materials, and calculating mass properties, ensuring that your models are both functional and aesthetically appealing. Master the art of creating assemblies using both bottom-up and top-down approaches. Explore essential assembly techniques, including standard mates like coincident, concentric, and parallel. Master various types of mates, including hinge mate, gear mate, rack pinion mate, and screw mate, among others. You'll also learn how to create exploded views and generate detailed bills of materials and streamline your design workflow and beyond. Learn how to create professional technical drawings from your parts and assemblies. We'll walk you through generating various drawing views, applying dimensions, adding annotations, and creating detailed bills of materials effortlessly. This course is packed with practical exercises and downloadable resources to help solidify your learning. By the end, you'll be confident in creating accurate 3D models, assemblies, and detailed drawings like a pro. With that, let's get started and unlock the full potential of SolidWorks.